Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.